Good morning, children. Welcome back to our mathematics online class. How are you all?
Teacher.
Fine, ma'am.
Very good. So let us start our chapter tables and shares, continuation of the previous class. Yeah, Gangu's sweets. Gangu is making sweets for Eid. He has made a tray of 80 laddus. Rabia is asking, please pack 4 laddus in a box. I need 23 small boxes. So how many laddus in one box? 4 laddus in one box. Are the sweets in the tray enough to pack 23 small boxes? So in one laddu, in one box, how many laddus we need to pack? 4 laddus. So for 23 small boxes, how many laddus we need? What we have to do? So 4 laddus in one box. So in one box, how many laddus we can pack? 4 laddus. Okay. So how many boxes she need? She need 23 boxes. So total how many laddus we need to pack? So 23 into 4 we need to do. So 23 into 4. 4 3s are 12, 8, 9. So 92 laddus. So how many laddus she has to pack? She need to pack in 23 boxes? 92. Are the sweets in the tray enough to pack 23 small boxes? So in the plate, in the tray, how many are there? 80 laddus are there. But we need 92 laddus. Are the sweets in the tray enough to pack 23 small boxes? No. Why? Because we need 92 laddus, but there are only 80 laddus. So how many more sweets are needed? How many more sweets are needed? What we have to do, ma? How many more sweets are needed? What we have to do? Anyone from the class? What we have to do? We need to subtract 92 minus 80. How many more laddus we need? We need more 12 laddus.
12.
Need more 12 laddus. Very good, ma'am. Next. Gangu also has a bigger box in which he packs 12 laddus. How many boxes does he need for packing 60 laddus? So he has another box which he can pack 12 laddus. So how many boxes are needed to pack 60 laddus?
Five boxes.
Very good, ma. So 12 laddus, one box. 60 laddus, how many boxes? For 12 laddus we can pack in one box. Then 60 laddus, we need how many boxes? So what we have to do, ma? 60 divided by 12. 60 divided by 12. So tell me the 12 table, all of you. 12 ones are 12. Anyone from the class?
12. Ma'am, 12. 60. 12 5 50.
Very good. 12
12
3 is 36. 12 4 is 48. 12 5 is 60. So, how many boxes we need, ma? We need 5 boxes to pack 60 laddus. We need 5 boxes to pack 60 laddus. Yeah. Neelu brought 15 storybooks to her class. Today, 45 students are present. how many children will need to share one book? So how many books she brought, ma? She brought 15 story books. Total students are 45. So what we have to do here? We need to divide. So 45 divided by 15, how much you will get? Somebody is saying the answer.
Teacher, 15 3 is 45.
Very good. So how many children will need share one book? 3 children need to share one book. Okay, ma? And then second and third were homework for you. Second problem, third problem are homework for you. And these two also. You have to distribute 72 tomatoes equal in 3 baskets. How many tomatoes will there in each box? In each basket. Okay? So they so can you say, ma, 72 divided by 3? What is the answer? Equally sharing is nothing but division. You know that clearly. 72 divided by 3. Shall I do once?
126, ma'am.
No. Divided by, I'm saying, not multiplication. 72 divided by 3.
Ma'am, 24, ma'am.
Yeah?
24, ma'am.
24.
24,
So in
ma'am.
each basket, how many tomatoes are there? 24
24.
tomatoes are there. Okay. So the second one also homework for you. Next. Children and their grandfather. Rashi, Seema, Mrudul, Rohit and Lokesh asked their grandfather to give them money for the fair. I have 70 rupees in my pocket. Tell me how to share money equally among you, among all of you. If you are right, you will get this money. So total how much money grandfather have? 70 rupees.
20.
So how
Teacher,
many children
answer
are
is
there?
25.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Ma'am,
5 children are
35.
there.
Teacher,
So,
35.
yeah.
Teacher, 35.
No.
Teacher, equal.
No, ma.
Equal
Wait,
is-
listen to me. So, Rashi and Seema thought for a while and said, we know how to do 70 divided by 5. That means 70 rupees, how to share equally among 5 children. So, how they done it? So, we will see here. Okay. Yes, 14 rupees is correct answer. But they done in different ways. So, 70 divided by 5. So, Rashi and Seema done in this way. 70 divided by 5. So, they know 5 tens are 50. Division means repeated subtraction. 0, 20. Plus 5 fours are 20. So, here, how much they got, ma? 14 rupees. They got 14 rupees. I gave 4 rupees more to each. So I have distributed 20 rupees. So here, so like this, they completed the division. So each gets 14 rupees. Now in another method, Mridul and Lokesh are trying in another way. In another way. So how they done it? 70 divided by 5. So they know that 5 5s are first, 5 5s are 25. So do the subtraction here.
25.
6, 10. So here again 45. Then no, again 5 6 is 30. 5. Again 5 3 is 50. So 5 plus 11, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 3, 14. So they also got 14 rupees. So here they tried in 2 ways.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the sum.
One, where you did not understand?
The sum, ma'am.
Here what they are doing? They are doing the division. Somebody is talking, please don't talk, ma. What they are doing? So they are doing the division. 70 divided by 5. So 5 how many times? they cancel first. 5 tens are 50. So division means what? Repeated subtraction. So again 20 rupees they got. First they distributed 10 rupees to each 5 members. So 50. So 70 minus 50. What happened there? 20 they got. Okay. So again these 20 rupees, each one how many 5 members are there? Each one got 4 rupees. So 5 fours are 20. So what we are doing here? 10 plus 4. So what is the answer here? Final answer? 14 rupees. Okay, is it clear, Devira?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like that, they done it in another method. So first they distributed 25 rupees. Next they distributed the remaining 30 rupees. Next they distributed the remaining 15 rupees. So 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So there also they got 14 rupees. So can you think this is little bit lengthy process? Then now we are going to do in shortcut method.
Okay,
Which
ma'am.
you know clearly how to do
Okay,
division
ma'am.
in easy way. So first this digit we have to check. 5 ones are 5.
5.
7 minus 5, 2. Get down the next digit, 0. 5 fours are 20.
20.
So our children are very intelligent than Rashi and Seema. Okay, so here you got how much, ma?
14 rupees.
rupees. So 70 divided by 5 is 14. So each person,
14.
each child will get how many rupees, ma? 14
14 rupees.
Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, all of you open your textbook, page number 129. So 65 divided by 5. 65 divided by 5. Try this. So how many times it will go? In 6, 5. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Get down the next digit. 15. 5 3s are.
5 3s are 15.
So what is the quotient here? 13 is the quotient.
13.
Next. 84 divided by 2. So 84 divided by 2. First let us check the left digit. The first one, 8 it is. So 2 how many times it will go in 8? Where you will get 8 in 2 table?
48.
8. Very good. 2 4s are 8. Do the subtraction. 8 minus 8, 0. Get down the next digit. Then when you will get 4 in 2 table? Very good. 2 2s are
4.
2. So here what is the answer here? 42 is the answer.
42.
So like that, remaining 6 problems you have to do homework. Once observe these remaining problems, if you want to ask any problem to solve me, here I will solve it. Or if you can do, you can do. If you have, by seeing, if you are feeling which one is hard, that one I will explain. Once see the problems.
Ma'am.
Tell me, Ma Pranavi.
232 divided by 2.
Okay, fine. 232 divided by 2. So, first digit is 2. In 2 table, where you will get 2? 2 ones are
1.
2. Do the subtraction. 2 minus 2, 0. Again. Will you get 3 in 2 table?
No.
The lesser number we need to take. What is the lesser number
2
here?
ones are 2.
Again.
2.
2 ones are
2, ma'am.
3 minus 2.
1, ma'am.
Again, get down the next digit. 12 here you have. Where you will get the 12 in 2 table?
3 4s are 12.
2 6 are 12, ma'am. 2 6 are 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. So the what is the answer here? 160.
166.
Okay?
116.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am. 56 divided by 6.
56 divided by Tell me, Ujjwala.
56 divided by 6.
56 divided by 6.
6.
56 divided by 6. Yeah. Tell me the 6 table first.
6 1
Here we have the first digit is 5. 5 is lesser than 6. So we
6
cannot
9
do
54,
division.
ma'am.
So now we
6
have
9
to check for the
54.
2 digits.
6 9 54.
Yes, 6 9 the 54. Do the subtraction here. 6 minus 4 2, 5 minus 1 0. So here you are getting reminder. This is quotient. This reminder, this is quotient. Okay, ma? Yeah, look at this problem. Meera made 204 candles to sell in the market. She makes packets of 6. How many packets will she make? How many packets will she make? So in one packet, how many candles are there? In one packet, how many candles are there, ma?
204.
One packet. She made packets of 6. In one packet, how many candles are there? 6 candles. So 6 candles in one packet. So 204 candles. For 204 candles, how many packets we need? For 204 candles, how many packets we need? So what we have to do? We need to do division there.
204 divided.
by 6. So first digit is 2, which is lesser than 6. So what you have to do, ma? We have to check for the 2 digits. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24. 24 is bigger
Ma'am,
than 20.
answer is 34.
Yes, very good. 18. So 20 minus 18 2. Here get down. 6 4 ja 24. So how many packets she need, ma? To pack. 34 candles. She need 34 packets. So this one you do, ma. If she packs them in 12 packs of 12, then how many packets will she make? So 12 candles in one packet. 204 candles, how many packets? Do the division and tell me the answer. Do the division and tell me the
Ma'am,
answer.
what into more? Ma'am, what into what, ma'am? What divided by what?
So you have to understand. 12 candles in one pack. 204 candles, how many packets? So 204 divided by 12 we have to do. 204 divided by 12.
Ma'am, 17, ma'am.
Very good. 17 packets. She need to do 17 packets. Yeah, next. On sports day, 161 children are in the school playground. They are standing in 7 equal rows. How many children are there in each row? 7 children in one row. 161 children, how many rows? What you have to do? 161 divided by 7. 161 divided by 7.
Ma'am, 123, ma'am.
No? Do it once again. Just check it, ma. Not 123.
14. 23, ma'am.
Yes, very good. It is 23.
3.
Yeah. Next. Story problems. Srishti's grandma is asking her to make problems. So, her grandma is giving answers and she is asking to make the questions. So, look at the picture and make a question on it. So, what she is giving some pictures there. And by seeing the picture, Srishti has to make some question. Okay, related to that picture. There are 3 carts. Each cart has 24 bottles in it. So for this, she need to make question. How she made? Look at that. How many bottles are there in all? How many bottles are there in all?
Multiplication.
Yes, very good. You have to do the multiplication. Now here, some pictures are given for you. You also have to make question and find the answer. So here, there are 8 packets of Rakis. Each packet has 6 Rakis in it. Now make a
84.
question here. Make a question here.
Ma'am, 24 into 3 equal
First
to
you have to write the
72,
question.
ma'am.
You have to write the question. So what is your question here?
What is the number of how many Rockies are there? How many total Rockies are there?
Yes. How many Rockies are there in all?
All.
Okay. Write it there. In the space you have to write that. How many Rockies are there in all? How many Rakis are there in all packets? How many Rakis are there in all packets?
48.
How many Rakis are there in all packets? Is it over, ma? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many are there? Find out, ma. Find out.
48, ma'am.
Yes. 48 Rakis are there in all.
48.
Next. So read the next question, Pratibha.
How many? Okay, ma'am. There are 10 packets of sugar.
There are 10 packets of sugar. Surab paid 110 rupees for all the packets. So what is your question here? What is your question here? Make the question.
What is the cost of 10 packets? 10
What?
sugar packets.
See the question properly.
What?
See the answer properly. There are 10 packets of sugar. There are
How many, ma'am? How many pack? How many rupees is one packet?
Yes. How much amount does Shurab pay for one packet of sugar? How much amount does Surab pay for one packet of sugar? So here what we have to do, ma? Very good. Division. 110 by 10. How much rupees, ma, for one packet of sugar? 11 rupees.
11 rupees.
Next.
11 rupees, ma'am.
Each row has the
Harry,
same
read
number
the
of
next question, ma. Next one. Read the next one.
Many students are there. Ma'am, can I read?
There are 35 students in 7 rows.
Hmm.
Each row has the same number of students.
So now make your question here. Make your question here.
How many students
How
are
many
there?
students are there?
How many students are there in each row?
In each row.
How many students are there in each row?
Ma'am,
So there
how
are
many
35
students are there
in
in
7
one
rows.
row, ma'am?
Each row has the same number of students. So what we have to do? How many students are there in each row? Write it, ma. How many students are there in each row? Write it in your textbook.
5. 5. Ma'am, we can't see the screen.
Why? So here it is in sharing only, ma. Screen is in sharing only.
Yeah, okay.
I can see now. I can see now, ma'am.
Yeah, over. Shall I move to the next one?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Samuel, read this, ma. Fourth one. And tell me your question.
Yes, ma'am. Hari, Seema, Shinku and Lakshmi are going to
Gauhati.
Guwahati. The cost of one rail ticket is rupees 62. Rail
The cost of one rail ticket
What is the cost of
rail ticket is rupees 62.
62. Now tell me your question.
What are the cost of four tickets? How many rupees did they pay for all the 3 tickets, ma'am?
what is the cost of?
Ma'am, now I cannot see the screen. Now I can see, ma'am.
Teacher, the answer is what is the cost of the rail tickets of all the 4?
Yes, all the 4.
4.
What is the cost of the rail ticket for all the 4?
4.
Next one. 1 meter of cloth cost rupees 20. Lalbhai bought some cloth and paid 140 rupees. Now make your question.
Ma'am, how many clothes did he buy?
Yes.
How
many meters of cloth?
meters of cloth?
I have to say how many
Cloth
meters of cloth
Dalbia
did
buy.
Lalbhai buy? Okay. So you are able to write the questions also. You are able to write the questions also. Very good.
One more.
What, Harry? Yeah. Alak completed one?
Class आयुतो बाबी teacher 12 के level के व्यक्ति थे बाबा.
Yeah, children. Did you understand how to write? How to make a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's all for today's class. I will post the classwork to you by seeing
Okay, teacher.
You can write your
Ma'am, can
classwork.
we?
Okay, children.
Okay. Okay, teacher.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank
Complete
you,
the
ma'am.
work and submit it.
Thank you, ma'am.